Hello my peeps, today I'm doing a red lentil dal. So this is more of an Indian dish. I've never cooked this before, but I wanted to try something vegetarian, something different, and I am from the Caribbean and it is part of our culture. You know the history of Jamaica, we're like out of many ones, so we have Indian, Chinese, African, European, all blended in. So we got a lot of different variations of foods based on our rich history. So I am going to explore our Indian culture and see how this comes out. So I have split peas, or they call it red split lentils. Lentils and split peas, same thing. I have different seasonings. I'm using cumin, turmeric, curry, black pepper, garlic, the usual suspect, onion, ginger, carrots, bell peppers. Gonna put some good old coconut juice, milk, coconut milk, and some pepper. These are what, crushed chili. So it's more of a vegetarian dish, and I'm going to get all the things ready and prepared to make our red lentil dal. Continue to watch this video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. It says to use 1 large carrot. I have 3 small ones, so I'm gonna use what I have, and I'll cut these. It says finely diced. So I'll dice these and then pause. Okay, so we've chopped our. I did 2 of the carrots. I chopped them small. So that's that. I'm gonna get my ginger. So it wants a tablespoon of ginger, so I'm gonna get the ginger ready. Oh, you know, alright, so I have 1.5 cups of split lentils, split peas in here. I'm gonna rinse it with some water, and then I'm gonna rinse it with some water and then move on. Pause. We're gonna cook up our onions. So I have large onion chopped. I'm gonna put that in first. Okay, sizzling sound. Sizzling sound. Okay. So saute that. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my 4 cloves of garlic. And I'll just use my garlic crusher to get that into my pot. With the onions. Okay. So that's 4 cloves of garlic. And then incorporate that into our onion and with that sauteed. Now you can get the flavors going into the oil, and it smells lovely already. I have a tablespoon of ginger that I grated, so I add that. Okay, so like that. Sauteing. Now I add our carrots. So we add 1 large carrot or 2 small carrots. A medium carrot. Okay. And the carrots will stay. So we're doing all of this for 5 minutes. This is our bell pepper, so 1 large sweet pepper or bell pepper that is chopped. Alright, so let that do that 5 minutes. Now we're going to get our seasoning. So this was on very low heat while I got my seasoning ready. So I have a tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of cumin grounded, teaspoon of turmeric, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm just going to add these seasoning to my onion vegetable mix now. So there we go. All in. Turn it back to medium flame. flakes. And a half cups of lentil that I've washed. I'll put it in a strainer so that I can separate the water. The water run through and then I get it all nice, clean and dry. So that's what I did with that. So I put my lentils in and I'm going to add water to it. So it asks for 3 cups of water. So that water, so let's do 15 minutes. The water is dried out, the liquid dried out, and taste it. It tastes good. Take a little more salt. I'm just gonna add coconut milk to this. So let me turn the flame down of coconut milk. 1 cup. Do this for 5 minutes or more, and then that's it. That's it. A nice consistency. Okay. For 5 minutes, so 450. See what it looks like. The 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm just going to let that cook for 5 minutes and then I will finish. First time trying it, so if you want to put any comments, recommendation in the section, you can do that. I am open to any recommendations. So thank you for watching.